In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handwrite on Google Docs. Now, Google Docs doesn't have a traditional handwriting mode like you might find in some note-taking apps. But there is a really effective workaround that lets you insert handwritten text, shapes, and even simple drawings directly into your document. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll be comfortable adding your own handwriting to any Google Doc. First, open the Google Doc where you want to add handwriting. You can use an existing document or create a new one. Once your document is open, look at the top menu bar and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Drawing, and then click on New. This opens up the Google Drawing canvas in a separate window on top of your document. Inside this drawing window, you'll see a toolbar at the top. This is where you can access the tools you need for handwriting. Look for the Line tool, which usually looks like a small diagonal line. Click on the little arrow next to it to reveal more options. From that list, select Scribble. Scribble is the tool that lets you draw freely with your mouse, trackpad, or stylus, and it's what we'll use to create the handwritten effect. With Scribble selected, move your cursor down into the blank canvas area and start writing just like you would on a piece of paper, keeping in mind that smoother strokes are easier if you write a little slower. You can write words, draw arrows, underline text, or create small diagrams. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can use the Undo button at the top, or simply select the part you don't like and press Delete. Once you've added your handwriting, you can customize how it looks. Click on your handwritten stroke to select it, and then use the toolbar to change the line color, thickness, or even add a highlight effect by choosing different colors. Take a moment to adjust it so it's clear and easy to read. When you're happy with how everything looks, click the Save and Close button in the top right corner of the drawing window. Your handwritten content will now appear right inside your Google Doc as an image. You can click on it to resize, drag it to a different part of the page, or wrap text around it to fit your layout. That's all there is to it. Using the drawing and scribble tools, you can effectively handwrite on Google Docs and add a more personal, creative touch to your documents.